want to eat one chip. Like I'm not drunk, I'm full. You gonna marry my son? Coochie. I'm over here my geriatric pregnancy. Our first season, I guess, huh? This was we did 2 seasons of At Home with Mama Mila. Who are we? I'm gonna heal it and my uterus is eating out.
Okay, all of this has been on camera. Go.
I'm so sorry. Okay, here we go. We're back. Hi, it's me, Mila Martinico, also known as Mama Mila to all of Columbia, Tennessee, and you are here for another episode of At Home with Mama Mila. Let's talk about something. I grew up in like the hood, close to Mexico, and you know, we didn't have queso. And then we moved to Tennessee and I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna order enchiladas. And I got enchiladas and it was covered in cheese. And I'm like, what is life right now? Like, where did we move? And I've actually not had enchiladas in like 8 years. Dang, maybe I should do an enchilada. Anyways, okay, I'm fading fast, it's late. Queso, I have a love-hate relationship with it, but my daughters love queso. And whenever we go out to eat, they're always like, Mom, can we get queso? And I'm like, yeah, sure. But you know what? That stuff's full of crap. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna come up with my own queso. Is it gonna be healthy? It's healthy-ish, okay? Like it's better than the stuff you get at a restaurant. Don't come at me for calories, whatever. Listen. You only eat queso when you want to be bad or you're drunk. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's talk about ingredients. First things first, yes, this is heavy whipping cream. You know why? Because I'm lazy and I didn't want to make a roux. That's why. When my kids want queso, we're throwing it together with some chips. We're watching a movie, okay? So we've got 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Then I have 2 cups of shredded cheese. This cheese is quesadilla cheese. It's Chihuahua cheese. Shout out to Aloy, who is my little friend in Chihuahua. Actually, big friend. He's like 6'2". But anyways, so when it says melts for quesadillas, that's the cheese you want, okay? It's melty, it's delish. Then you want 1/4 cup of fire roasted chilies. These are the mild ones. Don't get the hot ones, your kids won't eat it. Then we're gonna do a teaspoon each of chipotle, chili powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. I do smoked paprika because I like that little smoky on the end taste. And I think I'm fancy, I don't know. And then salt, okay? Literally, all we're gonna do is throw this in the pot and put it on medium heat. How easy is that? Let's get to it. I'm gonna pour in our heavy whipping cream, and then we're gonna put those chilies in. Then we're gonna add each one of our spices. And it was at this moment that I realized I forgot to put cumin in with these spices. So at the end, you'll see me add in the cumin. Whoopsie. All right, so on medium-high heat, we're gonna bring our heavy cream and spices and peppers. We're gonna bring it up to like a good simmer. You'll notice that it'll get like a film on the top. And once that simmer starts going, we're gonna add our cheese in, we're gonna stir it around, and we're gonna bring it up to a simmer again. And as it simmers, it's gonna start getting thick. Honestly, this is a bad like comparison, but it's kind of like Alfredo. Like it's gotta get thick, like me. So be very careful not to scorch the bottom and burn your cheese, but you're gonna let it simmer till it comes to the desired thickness. Now remember, as it cools, it is going to thicken. So let's go taste this. I'm not gonna pour it into anything. We're gonna eat it out of the pot. Here we are, we're back with Gia's favorite queso. Let's dip a chip and taste it. Are we eating it right out of here? Yes. Yes, we are. Now, I could wait for this to cool down and not burn the crap out of my mouth. But we don't got that kind of time. Oh yeah. Okay. It's still delicious. We still got it. You know what would be so good? Is if you cook some chorizo and put it in there. How can we make something fattening? Even more fattening. Let's add some chorizo. What do they call that? Queso fundido, I think, right? Is there someone who speaks Spanglish out there? Oh my gosh, it's delicious. You guys, thank you for coming and spending time with me in my kitchen again. Don't forget, I love to feed you at the restaurant. I love seeing you. I love hearing from you. I love when you come and spend time with me. It means so much to me. But most of all, I just love you. I'll see you next time on At Home with Mama Mila. Tanti baci. Don't forget to like and subscribe.